guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Welcome to today's video, you guys. I am so excited because today we are going to be doing an unboxing of my new 13-inch MacBook Air. I am so excited, you guys. I know I don't have my own personal computer. Y'all know Dee has all of the fancy tech stuff, so if I need to use something, I just use her stuff. But I'm like, girl, get your own. And what made me get my own is because I had to book a flight. And if you ever booked a flight on a phone or an iPad, it'll drive you crazy. It was successful, but it drove me crazy for the last time. So I was like, we gotta bite the bullet, just get the laptop. So I'm so excited, and I also am super excited to start editing my videos on my laptop, and hopefully that improves the quality. I can pump out more videos. So yeah, super excited about that. If you have a MacBook, which I'm pretty sure everybody does, let me know down below what MacBook you have, and let me know if you love it, if you hate it, if you would recommend it. Let me know all the details. So like I said, I got the 13-inch MacBook Air. It's just the standard. It has an M4 chip, which I don't know what that means. And it has 16 gigabytes of memory and 256 gigabytes of storage. So I'm gonna figure out how to switch up the camera angle so that we can unbox this together. So BRB. This is the front, and you guys know it just has MacBook Air on the sides. Good old Apple logo. It's a lot heavier than I thought, so. Okay, I hope this angle is good. I hope Flossy Carter would be proud. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. We'll just rip here. And here we go. I am obsessed already, OMG. So this is her, and we're gonna just pull her out. And like I was saying, she is the perfect size. And you get the charging cable, which is, I think, USB-C, I think is what that's called. Your good old manual, which I actually probably will read this time. And you get your adapter, which is clearly bigger than your standard iPhone adapter. And that looks like it. So we're gonna go ahead and unwrap her. OMG. Like, I cannot believe that I have my own MacBook. I'm like nervous. Okay, let's give her her first open. I'm literally crying. I'm literally crying. Oh my gosh, it's already on? Like what? Wait, what? So this is the best I got. Okay, I'm a makeup influencer, okay? all these different angles and stuff. Listen, not my cup of tea, but we're figuring it out. So this is her, and she is gorgeous. I don't want to touch her too much until I get all of the coverings and stuff, but we're gonna go ahead and take the screen protector off. OMG. Y'all, I'm so excited. I'm losing my mind right now. I've wanted a MacBook for so long, and I finally got one, and this is insane. Okay, so this is gorgeous. She's so pretty. Okay, so let's go ahead and set her up. English, of course. Okay, you guys, so we are all set up. So she is just doing her thing. And we're all set up to go, you guys. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm literally about to be up all night. Movie is here. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed already. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. This is gonna be pretty choppy because I just don't want to show, of course, any information or whatever. Really just wanted to do this because I thought it would be fun. And I was really excited to get a new computer. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. So yeah, I'm gonna play around with her and then you guys will be seeing so much more of her, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, that's about it. So let me go ahead and turn the camera back around. Okay guys, so that was my MacBook Air unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. I know it was probably very ratchet, but I still hope you guys thought it was cute. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Like I said, I am literally learning all of this for the first time. I did get a case. It's just a plain spec case, one of the hard ones. I wanted like the clear one. I just love how MacBooks look, just like classic, the silver. Like I just love that look. So I didn't want something that was going to cover the silver. And yeah, like I said, let me know if you guys have any questions and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.